today you guys having me.
And who are you? And who
My
are
name is
you?
Aleksei Tiurin. I'm from Russia. I'm 37 years old and I'm experienced model in fashion and commercial ways, styles, let's say. I've been traveling. So today we're gonna simply describe you guys how you can feel more confident in front of the camera, how you can choose what is your best angles and the best light, for example. I don't know. Maybe you also can organize your wardrobe and see what is the good clothes gonna look good on you. And let's see what we're gonna come up with on the way during the tutorial today.
And what clothes do you have today?
Today I have something really cool. It's the gift from my last shooting. The brand calls Arcala Studio. It's really comfy stuff. It's the whole set with the pants and the hoodie. Exactly perfect fit for this weather because if you guys don't know, we're based in Madrid and now the weather is getting much cooler, so it's just perfect.
You're looking cool, Aleksei. You're looking cool.
Thank you, Edward. Thank you.
If we have a number one tip for supermodels, what is the number one tip?
The number one tip for supermodels or for any models is to do full on. You know, like an acrobatic, if you do some element and then suddenly you change your mind, you get the trauma. So you injure yourself. So here's the same thing. If you do something, you do it full on. Otherwise, it's going to be like half-ass. So you are do and you not do at the same time. It's not going to be attractive enough. That's what I think. And what do you think?
I think that the difference between you and other models who have the beautiful face also and the beautiful body also is that they are not as intense as you.
Yeah, they don't have something like, you know, like a wild stuff.
That wild shit is what I like.
Exactly. That's what makes everything going. It's your purpose, it's your motivation, it's your inside fire that wants to come out. And if you know how to balance it and don't bring it all up at the same time, because then it's going to be overdue. So it has to be something in the between, doing like a strongly full movement and not too much. Then it's going to be, if we're talking about the photo, then it's going to be a live photo. It's not going to be too static or too zombitic. I don't know how to say, like deadly. So we need to bring some life to it.
You have a very intense look in your eye.
Yeah.
Is it because you're thinking something, or is it because you do some kind of muscular control? What is it that happens?
I believe it's genetic, and the other thing, of course, it's a practice. There is several ways of looking into the camera, and depends on the light. You can have a really different look of wild animal to like a vampiro, like a vampiro. And you can make it soft, but of course you need to practice your muscle. For example, lifting eyebrows, one and another one, you know. Not everybody can do it, but if you focus on the muscles, you can bring them like...
Arnold Schwarzenegger, the bodybuilder, said that the secret to success was to choose your genetics, to choose your parents.
Nice.
But that's not really a tip we can give to people because they can't choose their parents. It's a bit...
It's just the mythologically, yeah, that the child choosing their parents at the beginning before they come to this life. But of course, we cannot follow these tips. For us, maybe, you know, sometimes you can have a glass of champagne for the sparkling eyes. Depends in what kind of shooting is this. If it's just for you to learn and try to overcome your shynesses and break the ice, yeah, that can work.
How long have you been modeling for?
It's hard to say, but I've been modeling since I'm studying in university. I finished sports university and I finished my master's. I think I started right before the 20s, so around that time. Started in St. Petersburg because originally I'm from Russia, from St. Petersburg, and this is where it's all started. Then my first trip was to Singapore, my first contract with the, I forgot the name of the agency, Sorry about that.
We'll look it up afterwards, and we'll give them a tag in the.
It's been a long time ago. It's been very long time, and I'm still in touch with my head booker. His name Kid. I'm sure he remember me, bro. And what else? You just keep throwing me some questions, and I'm gonna try to respond on any of this, on all of this, the way I can, maximum possibly can explain something.